In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom views in Zoho Books, providing you with a full guide for 2025. If you're looking to streamline your financial management processes and view your data in a more personalized manner, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and see how you can tailor your Zoho Books account to your specific needs. First, we're going to start by navigating to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your central hub for all things business finance. So from here, we'll begin customizing your views. Once you're situated on the dashboard, look for the sales section. This is where we want to go next. With your cursor, hover over and click to access the sales area. This section encompasses various elements like invoices, payments, and estimates. But for our purpose, we want to focus on one particular element. Once inside sales, locate the customers option. Click on customers to bring up the full list of all your client accounts. This is the heart of your business relationships, and having a custom view here can prove highly beneficial for managing your client database. After clicking on customers, a list of all your clients will be displayed. On top of this list, find the All Customers button and click on it. This will allow you to view all entries under your customer list. Once you've done that, there will be an option titled New Custom View. By selecting this, you can begin creating a view tailored to your specific requirements. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to start defining your new custom view. A dialog box will appear with many options to fill out. Start by clicking on the name field. You can give your custom view a name that resonates with its purpose. For instance, if you want to view all clients who made payments in the last quarter, name it something related like quarterly payers. Next up, you have the option to click on Define Criteria. This is where you can set any filters or parameters that control what data is shown. You can add conditions to narrow down the list to meet your exact needs, which is perfect for those looking to isolate specific segments of data. Following that, you'll find an option called Columns Preference. Click on this to decide which columns you would like to appear in your custom view. Zoho Books offers a selection of columns to choose from, presenting you with all relevant data points. Under Available Columns, you can select the ones you'd like to display. Once you're satisfied with all the choices and settings, it's time to finalize everything. Simply click on the Save button to store your new custom view. With just these steps, you've successfully created a tailored view in Zoho Books. Now you can readily access and manage your financial data more efficiently than ever before. Happy customizing!